discussed about your assignment. Okay, so you first write down the questions first. Everybody has a pen and paper with you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you just write down two questions I'll give you. So you all of you have pen and paper or not?
Yes, sir.
Avilas?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll also put it in the Google Classroom again. So you write down the questions first. Then I will discuss the very important part today. How the energy audit will be there. The very important part, it will be coming a long questions and short questions also in the internal and as well as your in the semester. Right. Right. So now questions are number one. Write down first question. What do you mean by energy audit? What do you mean by energy audit? Okay, over. A. Question number A is what do you mean by energy audit? The question answer is it is short questions. Question number one is A, B, C. But question number two is that is a long question. Two questions I'll give you. This is the assignment of number one. Already written, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Yeah. The second question, state the need of energy audit. State the need of energy audit. Okay? Over?
Yes, sir.
Then question number two. A, B is there, question number one. And question number two is long questions. What are the types of energy audit? What are the types of energy audit? Question mark. Describe the different types of methodology in energy audit. Describe the different types of methodology in energy audit. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Everybody? Amit Paningrai?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So these two questions, it is in your notes, but you also write from your own, something, own word also. Okay? Don't copy paste everything. And you write how you will write. The last class I have already discussed how you will write. How you will now prepare your that is assignment. I have already discussed these things. Again I am telling you. So you just take a A4 size paper. If you don't have the college paper, you take a size paper, A4 size paper. Then you take it margin like this. You put it margin like this, here and here. It is consisting of 5 to 10 marks. Okay. So now write down here ASSIGIN assignment 1. Then write the question here. Question number 1, A, B. Question number 2 only. So you write 3 questions. Then start the answer. Question number 1, answer. A, answer. B, answer. Question number 2, answer. Okay. So like this, 1 or 2 pages, it will be, I think so. Understood all of you?
Yes, sir.
Abhilas? Others?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you have to prepare yourself. You will write in your own, in the pen. Okay. And you, what to do? You put it. You do it in a PDF. Prepare the PDF and send me in the Google Classroom. Okay. I will give the assignment. I will put an assignment, and in the assignment you will just you make it a PDF and you give there. Understood all of you? Ankit
sir.
Raj, Ashutosh Pati. So I'm happy because today is the
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yeah, maximum number of students joined here. Okay, so I'm now taking the snapshots. Again, I'll take your attendance also today. So it is now nobody will leave today. Only I will take 30 minutes class, then I will take the attendance because it is a very important part. What to now going to discuss? It is very important part today. I am going to discuss so everybody to listen. It is needs you for your future also. Yeah. So now Savitri Hemram is coming now. Okay, nice. So, okay, I'm sorry. So I'm going to now share in the screen. Start now. File, download. Yeah. It is looking to you, all of you. So it is looking to you, energy audit reporting format. Are it is looking to you or not?
सर टिके
Hello?
लैंडस्केप कर देले भलो होता
Huh?
सर
Sir, landscape
लैंडस्केप
orientation.
Landscape.
Yes, sir. That is छोटो दिखाओ जे ना.
देखला हमें it
Yes,
is
sir.
coming. Okay. Yes. Nice. So you be with your pen and paper. So I will also tell you something and you will write. You have to write the point wise. You see, we have already discussed the different types of audit. What is the how many types of audit you have? ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଏବେ ପିଲାଙ୍କର ଲିଷ୍ଟ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ମୁଁ ଡାକୁଛି ଜଣେ ଜଣେ ଓନ୍ଲି ଫଟାଫଟ ଆନ୍ସର ଦେବା ଯିବା ସନ୍ଦୀପ ରାଉତ ଇଜ ଦେୟାର ସନ୍ଦୀପ ରାଉତ ଆରେ ଯିଏ ବି ଗୋଟେ କୁହ ହାଉ ମେନି ଟାଇପ୍ସ ଅଫ ଏନର୍ଜି ଅଡିଟ୍ ଆର୍ ଦେୟାର
Sir, 3 types.
ଦେନ୍ ଆନନ୍ଦର ଜଣେ ଆଉ ଜଣେ କୁହ ନାଁଟା କହି କହୁଥିବ ମୁଁ ଏପଟେ ଟିକେ ଯିଏ କହୁଥିବ ମୁଁ ସେପଟେ ଲେଖୁଛି ମୁଁ ନାଁଟା ଲେଖିକି ଲେଖୁଛି ଯିଏ ଆନ୍ସର ଦଉଛି ସୋ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ରାଇଟିଂ ଦିସ୍ ଥିଙ୍ଗସ୍ ଓକେ ୟେସ୍ या कुह जल्दी देरी करवानी बहुत समय हमको टाइम
Sir,
नहीं हम
preliminary, targeted, detailed.
Detailed
yeah
energy audit.
very nice very good okay so in the last one is your what is the last one third one
Detailed.
detailed yeah very
Detailed
good
energy audit.
in yeah very nice so in the detailed energy audit so after the detailed energy audit what you will do after detailed energy audit what I discussed what I told you after detailed energy audit and the last phase that is the last one the detailed energy audit okay or not are yes or no
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yeah what to do after that are done okay what you will do you should prepare the report
The report will be
you should
prepared.
prepare the report and you should be also what to do are what to do you will present in the before the top management okay and implement all these things what you are going to done the reporting okay yeah and so that now you will be prepared for the industry or somewhat so you will prepare a report that is detailed energy audit a report on you will be write like this a report on whenever you will go for the project report in the 8th semester now you are 7th semester also you are already seminar is already started and in the 8th semester you have a project okay you will write like this report on project on the project report on so then topic title detailed energy audit is your title then contents so you will be the contents is there so number one contents is your acknowledgement what do you mean by the acknowledgement anybody can say about the acknowledgement acknowledge anything any idea Yes. अरे कह के गोटे प्रियांशु
Yes, sir.
बड़ा प्रियांशु
Yes, sir.
Sir, the information about something that we have seen or noticed about this
anybody
project.
Queen is here about the acknowledgement. Sandeep, Sarah, yes, Sandeep is here. अरे कहीं ना हो भीतरे.
So we're taking into account those who have helped us and our sources of information, but in a return.
Yeah. But you have already completed your job. But now you will be praised to your higher authority. So you just write something there in your pen and paper. You just pen and paper you have, you write down. So you can write there. It is just to be 1 to 2 lines. Then you will be thankful to your authority and thankful to the company. Okay, 3 to 4 lines. Okay, for the acknowledgement about the thankfulness. We express our sincere gratitude to all the concerned officials. Okay, so you will give the gratitude and you will be thankful. Okay. So we express our sincere gratitude. You can see the also somewhere, so and you will write. I am telling to you. Anybody can also try to write. Also you can write. In the first 2 lines before writing all these things, you first write down. This requires a team effort. It is a team effort. This acknowledgement in the acknowledgement, that means what you have done in the energy audit. It's a team effort to carry out the energy audit in the industry name. Let it be the Rourkela Steel Plant. Let it be Nalco. Let it be somewhere Jindal Industry. Then the audit at this limited, not a limited unit 1 or unit 2, unit 3, anyway, is a giant effort of many people. First, you can't buझी पालो लिखो. That means, you have what you are going to do. This is a team effort. It is a team effort to carry out the energy audit in some industry, in this industry. And the audit at this industry is a giant effort of many people. So I am thankful to you are giving the report. So I am thankful to Industry Jindal or somewhere for giving me this opportunity. So writing or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
This is the pattern. तमे जो letter writing लिखुचो, so this is a pattern also acknowledgement. I am thankful to Jindal for giving me this opportunity. Co opportunity. अरे से जो नवा पे तमे जो already taking the audit report. Then second line, I am especially thankful to my mentor. तमको जे बुझो जे तमरा ऊपर थिला मेंटर हमको नाटा लिखि दबो. Who guided me well to conduct the audit. Okay, I am especially thankful to my mentor. तमर जे गाइड जे तुमको गाइड करी थिला, who guided me well to conduct the audit, and also to the other staff members and also to the unit workers who helped me. Worker माने कौन काम मैं help करती तुमको for the in data collection to the audit. Understood or not? Okay. I am also thankful to Amaka, jana na likh do, so write something 1 or 2 names for coordinating the whole program. Okay. And also we thankful to the manager, plant in charges, and all the workers of the unit for their support during the energy use and technology audit studies. During the energy use and the technology of the audit study, and in implementation of the project objectives. Like this, 5 to 7 lines you have to write. So this is the theme of the acknowledgement. अरे acknowledgement कौन बुझलो की? Hello.
Yes, sir.
जने का कहूँ जी सर तम तमने आप किसी बुझु ना कौन? Then executive summary आसी मु. Hello. अरे ये केते जन पिला जे जड़े पढ़े ले पारे गले सब. Hello.
Sir.
अछंती. अरे जने जन मते बहुत अरे बताओ.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah. Yes, sir. So about the acknowledgement, got idea, all of you?
Yes, sir.
You are now going to prepare the audit report. So first the acknowledgement. Now in the 7th semester, when you will go to 7th semester, 8th semester, you will write all these things also in the acknowledgement. So before that, so you take some idea. Okay? Then last रे कौन करिवा? Last रे तो लिखी दला सरला जे तोले सेठी तोले date and place Bhubaneswar. Then एपटे name. Right side रे name. अरे उड़े चिट्ठी वाले आइटा लिखिले तो मैं तंगो उड़े प्रेस करिकी. Okay, सरला next मोटा पठेई देबी दरकार पड़ले यार पठेई. Okay, I understand it. So अरे understood all of you? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, take some idea only. So this is the acknowledgement. So I will stand you. Okay, no problem. About the executive summary. Next is your executive summary. So I have already the second one is your what is that? Yeah. Yes. Second one is your executive summary. You see now 1 and 2. Then we will come to the introduction. Not yet now enter into the introduction part. Okay, so executive summary. It is a long question. This is a pura long question. Introduction. Before the introduction, you have a executive summary. What you will write? Anything idea about the executive summary? Energy audit options at a glance and recommendations. Executive summary. What we will do in the executive summary? गोटे पद किए कह किसी आइडिया अच्छी have you any idea? अरे गोटे की अमित अभिषेक.
It is about the problem statement of the given energy audit.
Yes. आउ के कहबो? Anybody?
Sir, reporter summary.
Summary, very nice. It is a summary. That was shortcut. It is a summary, that means a shortcut. Okay, executive summary. What you are going, all these things in your the brief energy audit, it is in a summary. That means it is a short document. Swastika attendance debini, Gantala assist attendance debini left hai jaucho. Okay.
Sir, actually मोटे network issue है जाइतला.
अच्छा very good ताले ठीक है जी. Okay. So now मैं इट देखो जी left nice start tanem मैं I will take attendance after गोटे 5-10 मिनट पर मैं attendance नेबी हेबे नेबी. Okay, so more take a pick you पहुंच जाओ. So it is a very important part now going to discuss. 79 है गलनी तो देखो. Okay. So what is the executive summary? It is a short document. It is a very short document. And what you will write here? So you can write now. So what I am now going to say, you can write also in the pen and paper also. It provides an overview of the document. It provides an overview of the documents, highlighting all of its most important parts. Understood? Or you will be highlighted the most important parts of your energy audit. Mu tumaku kahithili what is the most important part? Kiye kahiba? Priptos. Hello? Hello? Yeah. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Abhishek. Yeah. So you have to write all these things. So that means it is a highlighting all the important parts. So what one part, please tell me, anybody? Abhishek, what is the important part in your industry? Important person, any one person? I have discussed many things.
Sir, energy usage.
Very good. Energy usage, very important thing. How ke koibo? Anybody? People?
Energy saving.
Energy saving, very good, very good point. Yes. Next, anybody?
Flow diagram.
Flow diagram, important, very much, very good. Then
The major energy sources.
se koila seta major energy jota. Okay, like this. Okay, so you have, I think you have understood already. I think so. I'm happy. Okay, so the most important part to be now discussed there. The highlighting. You just 1, 2, 3 like that. You highlight it. So take an overview of the document. The highlighting all of its most important parts. Okay, then it usually the contains a brief statement of the problems or proposal covered in major document, background information, and main the conclusion. Kon hela? It now consisting in conclusion ko now follow up karibo. Ebong lastly tamra bhitere rakhibo jo proposals rahibo and what are the problems. All these things to be now covered. Understood or not? This line. Major documents jala that can cover conclusion ko tame what will take the conclusion ei bhitere eti tike rahibo seta. Okay? It should not exceed 1 or 2 pages. Man rakha babure Vipul.
No, sir.
Yeah. So it will not be exceed 1 or maximum gote page to 2 page bhitere yaku karibo. ये जो हमारा what I am now discussing executive summary एते बड़ा तमरा सेटा थिबो जानि छै जो वर्तमान तमे already you are going to the energy audit that will केते बड़ा जानि छै एटा बड़ा बही energy audit देखिछ केबे report देखिछ केबे have you seen the report पूरा ये ओडे 100 पेज वाला थिबो 50 to 100 pages थिबो but this is only maximum 2 pages. अरे के 50 पेज के बड़ा कंपनी हेले से पूरा पळे जो 80 90 पेज पर्यंत पळे जो कार 50 पेज पळेबो बुझिल जदि सब डिस्क्रिप्शन सब कना आ भीतर टोटली इकोनॉमिक अमंग एवरीथिंग विल बी देयर गोटे पर गोटे. So I'm discussing one by one. Okay, so but this executive summary is only within 2 pages, 1 or 2 pages. Okay, the paragraph what you will going to write, the paragraph should be mirror the structure of your document, providing a concise explanation of the important points in each section. You have so many sections there. Achhi na nahi tomar seti गोटे इंडस्ट्री अरे देयर इज सो मेनी सेक्शंस आर नॉट अरे यस और नो
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yeah, so that the every section gote section just to be but केवल point to point this only gote word re gote section dekhauthو केवल that's all okay and keep in mind that you will need to adapt it to the contents of your specific document content re sei jinso rahuthuba tomar e jaha now what you are going to discuss here what you are going to write here all these the main things that will be in the content also understood all of you
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yeah and you have to carry out the assignment for detailed energy audit so you will now you are going to do all these things the month of kete manakare July 2021 okay so already so seti lekhila tame I have already carried out the assignment for the detailed energy so already detailed energy audit is completed it is already completed the detailed energy audit okay or not so you have already carried out the assignment for the detailed energy audit during the month of July 2021 so it is August ki July 31st likhi do ki August gote likhi do gote one date likhi do so then what you found there so I found or we found that the tin jana tomar member thibe so the auditor jo mane those who are going to do audit okay so we lekhibo nale I lekhibo jodi se chief thibo nale I lekhibo I found this assignment to be very challenging but we found that this assignment to be very challenging and also very interesting as because it has been constructed recently and also selection of various energy consuming items like dash like pumps cooling tower lifts lightning all what you are now already told what you told now the main components when the lightning sections also etc are as for the latest technology I have that means you have already given all the documents that everything in the latest technology and all these steps contribute to a great extent for the energy efficiency Are what to do for the why so for the efficiency only so for the energy efficiency only so you will write last so this is the line so we will be emphasize that these steps contribute are you so line guda lekhu tamku daki paribini ki sabu jinsa everything cannot send you so whenever it will come in your exam so you will write all this important joda ka line guda so you have to now give there so all these steps contribute to a great extent for the energy efficiency okay and we have also carried out very elaborated the measurement of various operating parameters related to energy efficiency are tomar measurement kotha I have told you or not before that are measurement kotha koitili and testing kotha koitili already what 24 hours you will take a test those instruments are already damaged hegalani already gone so already you just take it your 24 hours testing or 12 hours testing for this all this instrument okay or not it is okay
Yes, sir.
yeah so this is the vital thing is to be the measurement of various operating the parameters related to the energy efficiency and covering each area I have told you before both area katha hame discussion karthile what where we have already discussed the area particular area kodi karthile ke koibo are ke koibo अरे गोटे किए कह अबाउट द अंजलि नायक अर्निता पंडा अर्निता पंडा हेलो अर्निता अरे किए गोटे सिना कहले कौन हम किसी नोबडी विल से विलासिनी माझी अरे इट इज ऑडिबल और नॉट टू यू विलासिनी हेलो विलासिनी माझी
Yes, sir.
What I told you before that, what is that the particular area? अरे I have so many times I have discussed it. तू क्लास अटेंड न कर दिले जानिबु कोन किछि जानि पर न देवी प्रसाद हलदार तो क्लास आसुची देवी प्रसाद what is the area, the particular area I have told you? अरे कहितिली क गायत्री जामी फरा फरा इजाज एमाने सब नांती बोते मते लागुची सब ऑन कर देकी जे जोडे बोते पार से सार तो कहिचंदी पार्टी करचंदी तणु या तो ना कोन अरे निखिल ओम प्रकाश अरे केही भी तो लिसन किछि तो तार गोटे बहुत समय अरे जी आंसर दउछ तबे सुनो मो आई एम सो यू विल बी मस्ट 100% यू विल बी नाउ ट्रीटेड यू लिसन इट आ तमे जदि मो डाकुथि भी 5 थर तमे विल नॉट लिसन अरे कह न कह किछि दैट इज तमे गोटे आंसर दबो बोली दैट इज डजंट मैटर बट व्हेन आई एम जस्ट कॉलिंग यू गोटे ना डाकु तमे के नॉट रेस्पोंडिंग तो हाउ इंटरेस्टिंग इट विल बी कौन कहितिल मन अछि बाबा एरिया कथा सम पर्टिकुलर एरिया कथा मु कहितिली
से यूटिलिटी
अब के कहि परियो जने कहलो देखिया आई विल बी हैप्पी एनी क्वीन
Small scale
Queen.
industry, sugar extractors. Sir, small scale industry, sir, sugar textile sector and thermoelectric power stations, sir, say sabure.
Yeah.
Various sector
Yeah.
energy audit, sir.
एनीबॉडी आउ के कहबो मु कहितिली गोटे पर्टिकुलर एरिया ऊपर हमें ध्यान देथिले सो वी आर एम्फसाइज टू सम एरिया अरे गोटे लाइटनिंग एरिया सो यू टेक दैट एम्फसाइजिंग गोटे सो यू टेक द पर्टिकुलर थिंग and you just take an audit there in a particular case. So that is the thing. Okay. So covering each area. So that means so many areas are there. That is in your lightning area. Your that is blast furnace area. So your that is motor area. Something. So many areas are there. Okay. So you go for the a particular area and you write and emphasize there. Okay. And you studied all the common areas under the control of the management. This you can write in the executive summary. Sikta Misra. Sikta.
Yes, sir.
Can you understand anything about the executive summary? What I discussed now? It should not exceed 1 or 2 pages. It is a short document and to be emphasized all the things, all these things in a very short form. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
So that is is over the part of the executive summary. Yeah. So acknowledgement is and executive summary is the very vital part of the energy audit. Then we'll come to the interesting part. It is so I am now today I'm happy and I'll take now the attendance 5 to 10 minutes only. Okay, then I'll come to the point. So I'm very happy today. So 80 to 84 students are there. So have you Subha?
Yes, sir.
Acha, have you remember all your registration number? Anybody? Everybody has already remember your registration number. So I'll call you 319-320-321 like this. ना मन नहीं कार
Yes, sir.
अरे मन अच्छी ओके सो आई एम कमिंग and within 5 minutes I will complete. Okay, section B. I am starting section B. Prabhat Kumar Nayak 2. 319.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
present, sir.
Yes, only फटाफट ଯିବା ଆମେ which is next ଆମ ପାଖରେ ଆହୁରି କାମ ଅଛି ଆଗକୁ କାରଣ କଣ ହଉଛି ନା ମୁଁ ଆଟେଣ୍ଡାନ୍ସ ଏମିତି ନେଇ ଯାଉଛି କିଛି ପିଲା ରହି ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି so it is a problem actually so it is a vital part अच्छा then 3 to 1
Present, sir.
3 to 2 ମୁଁ ଏଠି ଦେଖୁଛି yeah so I am looking here ଏଥିରେ 3 to 3 3 to 2
Yes, sir.
Prietos 3 to 3 Nayak then 3 to 4 Parvi Abha
Present,
then so you do not know your registration number na kon 3 to 5 Queen
Present, sir.
is there
Yes, sir. Present.
then 3 to 6 eto मन rakho aji mu फटाफट बोर्ड पांचन 3 to 6 Ritesh Rudra
Yes, sir.
3 to 7 yes 3 to 7 then Savitri Hemram 3 to 8 Sadhvi 3 to 9 yes then Sai Priyanka 330 then 331 Devri Sandeep then 332 Sandeep Raut 333 Sanket 333 yes Sanket Raut 334 yes very good
Present, sir.
yeah 335 Saraswata yeah then 336 Saroja Sasanka
Present, sir.
Saswat yes Saswat Lenka Saswat Jena then Saswat Patnaik
Present, sir.
Satish Kumar
Present, sir.
yes Satish Kumar is present now Satya Prakash Rai Satya Prakash Sahu
Present, sir.
yes then Shekhar Lama
Present, sir.
बहुत दिन पर तो देखा रे बाबा शेखर लामा अच्छा शाश्वती बेहरा yes then Sikta Mishra Siddhant
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Present. Shiktam.
Siddhant Mishra Siddhant Swai
Present, sir. Siddhant Swai. 6348.
yes good 348 349 Siddharth Patnaik 349 then Banra Siddharth Banra then Snigdharani Samal then Sobanjit Padi 3552 then 354 Soumyaranjan Chaudhary yes Soumyaranjan Chaudhary okay okay yes very good 2 मिनट लागू छी next Saurav Ranjan तीसरी नहीं जाई छी then Chakravarti 356 Chucky yes Chucky 357
Present, sir.
Sitam yes 358 Das
Present, sir.
yeah then 359 TC Sudipti Mandal Sushil Kumar Swai Susri Chachita के Sushil Kumar Swai yeah Susri Chachita absent then Susri Chachita is absent Swagat Gaurav Gaurav yeah
Yes, sir.
Swapnasis 364 Swapnasis 36 student and for it